Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your user ID on Royal Match. To find your user ID in Royal Match, first of all, open up the Royal Match app on your mobile device. Once logged into your Royal Match account, from the home page, go ahead and tap on the leaderboard icon at the bottom of the screen. Inside leaderboard, make sure that you're inside the Friends tab. Your user ID will be located at the bottom of the screen, right above Invite Friends. It is usually a long string of numbers and letters. It will be located right next to My User ID. You can easily contact support for assistance or share your account with friends once you have your user ID. That is how you find your user ID in Royal Match. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Royal Match tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.